Hello. So, this is so awkward for me to talk in. I don't want to laugh because it's going to move on my face. But I've just applied the Medik8 Ultimate Recovery Bio-Cellulose Mask, which is super hydrating for the skin. What's really nice is I've just found this in my drawer, so I've had it for a little while, but it's perfectly fine. But yeah, quite a nice little surprise actually, because I couldn't decide what to use on my skin tonight. And I don't know if I'm the only one, but sometimes these sheet masks, they can be so messy to use. With this one, it's actually in 3 layers. So this was the layer that was in between, and then there was 2 other layers as well. I'll just show you what they look like. So there was this layer and then another one on the other side as well, so this was in the middle. But a little trick, guys, just so you get the most out of your sheet mask is often the packet is completely saturated with excess serum. So what I do, pop those 2 back in the packet, move it around so you're actually getting the rest of the lovely, nourishing, hydrating serum out. This one I'm going to place on my neck. So my neck is going to get hydrated as well. Just going to stick it down like so. The other one, which is in the packet, I'm just going to rub it all in just to get, again, a lot more of the lovely hydrating serum. And then I'm going to use a mask on my chest area as well. Obviously, as you start to get older, this is an area that you start to see those possible lines, or it just gets a bit crepey, or it's just not looking very fresh or very young. So just a little tip to make the most out of your sheet mask. Gosh, don't throw these ones away. Use them on areas where you need that extra hydration. And with how much products and solution that they put in here, gosh, you can just keep going with it. I mean, there's even something that's coming out there, so I will just pat that on. Yep, I have definitely got my money's worth with this. It's completely empty. I'll just come close so you can see. So I've got this lovely mask on my face here. You know what's nice about this mask? It's not dripping at all. I often find with masks, they are just dripping into my eyes. And I'm thinking, is it the shape of my face? You know, one size is supposed to fit all, but I often have trouble with masks because they just don't fit. But this is fab, and it is actually staying put even though I'm talking loads. It's really great, and it feels really nice on the skin as well. So yeah, I'm excited to see how hydrating this is going to be. I use all the Medik8 products and they've all been fantastic on my skin. But yeah, just a little tip, guys, include your neck and the chest. Even another tip as well, if you're not so much concerned sorry, with hair, you could actually do your hands. There's no reason why you can't put this on top of your hands as well. So you could do your face and you could do the tops of your hands. So yeah, I'm going to sit and enjoy and relax my lovely sheet mask from Medik8.